Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and we're halfway through the Monday grind. Let's get this done. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, we got Glance Watch Face back in the building again, and this guy is definitely, look at it, he's stepping up his game with this one, right? So I like this watch face. The name of it's called Glance Mirage. Now, in always on mode, it looks really good. It looks the same as it does on. Now on, what I'm liking about it, I'm liking the placement of the dials. This one gives you the month you're in. This one is going to give you your step info, and then you get your battery info at the top, and of course you get your day and your date. Now it's an analog look, not a bad look at all. I like the design of what's going on in the background. It looks good to me, and it is interactive. So if you tap on your steps, you can go in and get more of your step status. Same thing for the month. You can go check out your calendar, set an event, and of course battery info you can get right there. What I also like about this is that you can customize the color. Double tap, and you get like 9 colors in all that you can customize this to, which I thought was really nice. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like or that fits the color coordination that you got going on for the day, and you're all good. Now, but check this out, right? Now, this is in the 12-hour mode. Remember, it has a 24-hour mode. Like for me, I like to look a little bit better in the 24-hour mode, because what it gives you is the digital time down at the bottom, and to me it has a better look. You still get all the features except for you're missing one dial, and that's it. Now all you have to do is just pick and choose which one you want. Alright you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.